Lesson 27, session 3, page 627. We are working on adding tens to any number. It's really important to understand place value and how many digits that are in the equation and how they make tens and ones so we can put them together. Problem number 2 says 20 baseballs and 14 footballs. How many balls? So we have 20 plus 14. 20 has to be a part. 14 has to be a part. How many balls? We are putting them together. Here it says 2. It took the numbers 20 and 14. They were wrong. It says, what is wrong? Here it says 2 plus 10 plus 4. Okay. If we take our numbers, I'm going to write it over here. You can write it on a whiteboard. If we take the number 20, we know that 20 has tens and ones. How many tens are there? 2 tens. There are 2 tens, so 1 10, 2 tens, right? Each of those sticks has a value of 10. Are there any ones? No. So they put 2 like it was 1, 2 ones, but that's not correct. There are not any ones in the number 20. There are 0 ones in the number 20. So that is incorrect. That is the wrong way to write it. Then they said 10 and 4. Well, we know that the number 14 is made of 1 10 and 4 ones. 14, right? So they had 10 and 4, which is correct. So what they needed to do was make this 20, right? So we can add 20, which is the first number. Then we have the number 14, and we can break 14 apart into expanded form and add 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4. We know that 20 plus 10 can be added together to make 3 tens, right? Here's 1 10, 2 tens from 20, and then another 10 from the number up here, 10 more. So 10, 20, 30 plus, and we can bring down the 4. Bring down the 4. So now we have 30 plus 4. 30 plus 4 equals what? 34. Problem number 3, apply it. Find 30 plus 39. We know that 30 doesn't have any ones. It has a 0 in the ones place. But the number 39 does have ones. So we can break apart the number 39. We don't need to break apart 30. It already has 0 ones. So 30 plus 39, we can break the number 39 into expanded form. So there are 3 tens, which has a value of 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. It has a value of 30, and then we put the value of the ones place here, 30 plus 9. Now we can add both groups of tens. We have 30, 10, 20, 30 plus another 30, which equals, plus another 30, which equals 60. So then bring down the 60, and we still have to add the 9 ones. We didn't finish adding this number here. So 60 plus 9 equals 69. Okay, problem number 4. Find 30 plus 15. 30 plus 10 plus 5. How did they get that? So you see that 30, if you break 30 into expanded form, you get 30 plus 0, right? And because I get the same number here, I don't need to break it apart, right? But if I have the number 15, 15 is a 2-digit number, and it has a tens and a ones place, just like 30 has a tens and a ones place. Tens and ones, I can break apart 15 into expanded form by saying the value of the tens place, which is 10, and then plus the value of the ones place, which is 5. So now we add 30 plus 10 plus 5. So if we add our 30 with the 10, what do we get? 30 plus 10. Here's my 15. 1 10 and 5 ones. 15, right? So now I'm going to add 30 and 10. That gives me, what's 3 plus 1? Right, 3 plus 1 is 4. I get 40. If I have 3 tens and 1 10 is 4 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'm going to bring down the 40, and I'm not done. I added these two parts together right here, and I need to add 5 more. 40 plus 5 equals what? 45. So 30 plus 15 equals what? 49.